In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI with Systeme.io. We'll walk through the process of creating HTML with Claude AI and then placing that code inside a Systeme.io funnel page. This is a useful workflow if you want AI to help you build a custom section or layout more quickly, especially for an opt-in page. To begin, open your browser and go to Claude AI. From the search results, click the Claude sign-in page and log into your account. Once you're inside Claude, go to a new chat and type or paste your prompt. In this case, you can ask Claude to generate HTML for a Systeme.io funnel page. Be as clear as possible in your prompt so the result is easier to use later. When your prompt is ready, submit it and wait for Claude to generate the code. After Claude gives you the result, copy the generated HTML. Make sure you copy the correct section before moving on, since this is the code you'll be placing directly into your page builder. Next, head over to your Systeme.io dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, click on Sites, then go into Sites again if needed from the navigation and choose Sales Funnels. From there, open the funnel you want to work on. Inside that funnel, click on the opt-in page and then select Edit Page to open the page builder. Now that you're inside the editor, click on Elements. Scroll down until you find the raw HTML element. This is the element that allows you to insert custom code into your page. Drag and drop the raw HTML element onto the canvas in the area where you want your Claude-generated content to appear. Once the raw HTML block is on the page, click on that element and choose Edit Code. If there is already code inside the editor, remove it first so you're working with a clean space. Then paste the HTML code you copied from Claude AI into the code box. Take a quick moment to review the pasted code before saving. This helps you catch any accidental extra characters or incomplete copying that could affect how the section displays. When everything looks good, click Save, and that's it. You've now used Claude AI to generate HTML and added it directly into a Systeme.io funnel page using the raw HTML element. If the design doesn't look exactly the way you want, you can always go back to Claude, refine your prompt, generate a new version, and replace the code inside Systeme.io. This makes it easy to test different layouts and improve your funnel faster.